for money.
We now go live to the TMX Broadcast Center to Darren Farwell, Senior Wealth Advisor with Farwell Wealth Management at Scotia McLeod. Hi, Darren. Nice to see you.
Hello, Farah.
It appears the market in Toronto is up after a few tough days. What's changed?
Yeah, you're right. The market's on fire today, but it hasn't been. In fact, the market was down the last 4 or 5 business days. The reason for the market being down was in large part because other countries around the world had actually been increasing interest rates. This was leading investors to think perhaps we were going to have slower global growth. That always means lower commodity prices, and that's not good for the Canadian market. But what's changed? Well, commodity prices, in fact, totally reversed, are up large today, and that's in big part because of Obama's commitment and reaffirmation that he's going to keep his foot on the gas and keep the U.S. economy moving forward.
I thought that might have something to do with it. Now, still with the U.S., the Fed announced that they are not raising interest rates. This was expected, though. Why is it, though?
Well, they're not raising it. We've been hearing some very consistent good news out of the U.S. in terms of the U.S. economy recovering. And so it made people wonder whether or not they'd actually start raising rates. But as a matter of fact, the recovery is still fragile, and they haven't created a lot of jobs yet. So the U.S. Fed is reluctant to raise rates too soon at the risk of maybe derailing the positive momentum they finally have got behind them.
Okay. A tough month for gold, for the price of gold down 7% since the start of last year. What's the outlook there for gold?
Are you turning into a bit of a gold bug, Farah?
A little bit, I am. Well,
yeah.
it is. It's a safe haven, is it not? Usually.
Well, as a matter of fact, what's been happening to the price of gold is the fear trade has been kind of going away. There seems to be less worry about U.S. double-dip recession. There's less worry about European banks, European countries defaulting on their debt. Less worry about a run on the U.S. dollar. So with the fear trade going away, gold's been drifting lower. Wouldn't worry too much, though. There's still lots of things that could push gold back higher again.
Okay, good to hear. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks so much for that, Darren. Nice to see you.
Bye now.
It is 3:54 and -2. This is Toronto's breaking news. CP24, the Great One celebrates a big one after the break. Wayne Gretzky marks a milestone off the ice.